The RTX 5060 Ti 16GB version delivers 155% better performance than your 1660 Super for $430. These upgrades all work with your existing system if you have a PCIe 3.0 slot and decent power supply. Let's start with the best value. The AMD RX 9060 XT 16GB version at $380 gives you 142% better performance based on aggregate benchmarks. That massive 16GB of VRAM means you're set for high-resolution textures and future games. AMD's latest architecture brings excellent rasterization performance and solid 1440p gaming. The RX 9060 XT 16GB transforms your gaming experience without breaking the bank. For the best budget option, the Intel Arc B580 12GB at $260 provides 78% faster performance. Intel's pricing here is aggressive, and that 12GB of VRAM exceeds what you typically find at this price point. The Arc B580 12GB handles modern games at 1080p high settings smoothly. Driver updates have dramatically improved since Arc's launch. This card makes ray tracing accessible at a budget tier. The best overall upgrade is going to be the NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti 16GB at $430. You're getting 155% better performance plus NVIDIA's complete feature set. DLSS 4 with frame generation can double your frame rates in supported games. The 16GB of VRAM matches the 9060 XT 16GB version for future proofing. NVIDIA broadcast, reflex, and superior ray tracing performance justify the premium in some cases if that's what you're looking for. The RTX 5060 Ti 16GB delivers the most comprehensive upgrade package. All three options transform your 1660 Super experience. The Arc B580 12GB brings 78% more performance for just $260, while the RX 9060 XT 16GB version delivers an incredible value with 142% gains at $380. The RTX 5060 Ti 16GB tops the chart with 155% better performance and NVIDIA's ecosystem at $430. Choose based on your budget and feature priorities. I'll link all these parts down below. If you do make a purchase using my links, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it's greatly appreciated. Check out some of the other helpful videos we have here on the channel, and as always, thanks for watching.